Hi everyone, I am your celebrity mathematician, Omale Jeffrey Jojo. We have a beautiful young lady here. WAEC 2015 question. So beautiful. So how do we simplify and find the value of n? Let's go there. The first thing to do is to write solution. After the solution, make sure that you understand what you are doing. Now I've seen that this question is on indices. So I have to write it like this. Since they say simplify, I have to write it the side of my paper so that I can analyze it the other side. Now look at it. 3 raised to the power of n minus 1 times 27 raised to the power of n plus 1 over 81n. Now it's equal to 3 raised to the power of n minus 1 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 3. 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27. That is 3 times 3 times 3. Over 3 raised to the power of 4n. 3 raised to the power of 4 is 81. 3 into 4 places. Now, I found out that 3 is the least number, so I have to check whether I can have 3's here and 3's here. So I discovered that there's 3 in this 27 and 4 3's in it 1. So that all of them can have the same base. So this can now be equal to what? 3 raised to the power of n minus 1 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 3n plus 3. I clear the brackets. This is power law. 3 times n plus 3 times 1. The two powers multiply each other. It's a rule. The rule states that a raised to the power of 2 to the power of 3 is the same thing as a raised to the power of 2 times 3. That's what I did here. Now this will now be what? Over 3 raised to the power of 4n. That is 4 times n. And this will now give me what? 3 raised to the power of n minus 1 plus 3n plus 3 over 3 raised to the power of 4n. What I did here is, once you have a raised to the power of 2 times a raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as a 2 plus 3. So when you are having the same base and its multiplication, you add their powers. So I have to add n minus 1 plus 3n plus 3. So that is what I put brackets so that the number here should not change. Since it's plus, I didn't mean it's minus here. There will be an issue. If there's minus and minus, there will be an issue. So you must make sure you arrange them very well. So this will now give me what? 3 raised to the power of n minus 1 plus 3n plus 3 over 3 raised to the power of 4n. Good. Now when I have something like this, I just open the brackets. So this will now give me what? 3 raised to the power of n plus 3n minus 1 plus 3 over 3 raised to the power of 4n. I collected like terms. N comes to one place and number goes to one place. Number goes to one place, n comes to one place. N plus 3n minus 1 plus 3. Then the 3 this. Good. So if I have this, this will now be equal to what? 3 raised to the power of 4n plus 2 over 3 raised to the power of 4n. Yes, because n plus 3 is 4n minus 1 plus 3 is 2. You borrowed one orange and you now have 3 oranges. If you give them one from it, it remains 2. So that's that about that. So this will now be equal to what? 3 raised to the power of 4n plus 2 minus 4n. Yes, if you have a raised to the power of 3 over a raised to power of 2 is the same thing as a raised to power of 3 minus 2. Once they are having the same base and its division, the down one goes up and changes to minus. Good. So this will now give me what? 3 raised to power of 4n minus 4n plus 2. I collected like terms again. The n comes to one place. Now this gives me 3 raised to power of 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 3 raised to power of 2, which is 3 times 3. And 3 times 3 is 9. So this is the answer. So I've simplified it, and this is my final answer. So thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Omale Jeffy Jojo.